everyone's having a great day, because today I will be talking about the clutch system of a car. So, let's get right into it. The clutch system is important as it helps the driver to change gears. Let's delve a little deeper. The clutch is a major component in a car because the clutch helps change gears smoothly by connecting and disconnecting with the engine's power. It also helps to stop the car without stalling the engine. The clutch is located on the wheels, but for use it is on the left of the brakes. In the process, drivers usually press and hold the clutch pedal and then change gears, because the car becomes bumpy if the gears aren't changed smoothly, or the gear has not been changed in terms of the speed of the car, which we will talk about in the next and last episode. The clutch does not require much explanation, and that's why that is all for today. I hope this episode was helpful, and stay tuned for the last and final episode of the series. Till then, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the last episode. Peace!